Hello students, welcome to your class. This is your science class. In our previous class, we have learned about animals' movement, animal sounds, all the things regarding animals. Now our new chapter begins, that is about plants, plant life. Today we will learn about types of plants. How many types of plants are there? You may have noticed in your locality, in your surroundings, that there are few plants are very big, few are medium size, few are very small, few cannot even stand, few can stand with the help of other stick or other objects. They can climb, right? So you have noticed these types of plants in your surroundings. Now all these plants have different names and they have different qualities, they have different characteristics. So let's learn about this. First, the big plants, that means very big plants, are called trees. The big plants are called trees. They have a very thick stem, they have very big branches, they have big leaves, and many trees gives us fruits. Many trees, not all the trees, but many trees gives us fruits. Okay, they give us shade, and with their stems and with their branches, when the tree will die or when we have to cut the tree for some reasons, then we can use those branches and stems as wood, and we can make furnitures, we can make fuel and many other things. So trees are very helpful, and the big plants are called trees. So you have to know only these things. After that, you have noticed that there are trees, but they are not as big as trees. That means there are plants, but they are not as big as trees. They are in medium size, that means in your height or little more, but they are like a bushy plants. They do not grow like a trees. They don't have a thick stem, or they don't have thick branches, but they have many branches and they have many leaves and flowers, but they are not as strong as a tree. These plants are called shrubs. These plants are called shrubs. They are mainly flowering plant. You have noticed that there are jasmine, there are rose, there are hibiscus flower. These are all flowering plants and they are bushy plants. They never grow as big as a tree, but they are strong enough. They have stem, sturdy stem. They have that, but they are not as big as a tree, not as big as a coconut tree or as big as a mango tree. You have noticed those things. These are called shrubs. So the small plants are called shrubs. Small bushy plants are called shrubs. After that, you may have noticed that there are very small plants, that means like this much of height. There are very small plants are there who are not as strong as shrubs. They have a very small soft green stem. They have small soft green stems, and they not even live long also. They may live only for 1 year or 2 years. After that they die, right? So these plants, they have soft green stem. These are called herbs. These are called herbs. Many herbs are used for medicinal purposes, and many herbs are there who are flowering plants. So the herbs are tulsi, tulip, grass, aloe vera, herbs. They have a soft stem and they do not live long. They only live 1 year or 2 years and they die, and again they grow from their seeds. So these are herbs. Tulsi is used for medicinal purposes. We can have tulsi leaf or aloe vera for our health. These are very good for our health. After that, after herbs, you may have noticed that there are few plants who never grow as big as herbs also. There some plants just only stays on the ground. They cannot even climb, only the ground. And few plants are there, if we put a stick or put something beside the plant, then we can see that they are climbing. If we put some bamboo or some stick beside those plants, then they can grow higher, they can climb higher. So these plants, one is called creeper, which cannot grow. If we put a stick, then also they cannot grow. Those are called creeper. Like pumpkin, watermelon, these are creepers. Pumpkin, watermelon, these are creepers. And few are climbers. If we put a stick or put a bamboo there, then they can climb with that help. They can climb higher. So those are called climber. There are money plant, cucumber plant, the grapevines. These are called climbers. Okay, because they can climb higher if they get a support. So creeper who cannot get higher, like watermelon and pumpkin plant, and climber who can get higher if they get a support. They can climb on our walls. Those are money plant, those are cucumber plant, like this. There are thorny plants also. Thorny plant, that means which plant have thorns. There are thorny plants which plants have thorns, like the cactus plant, you can see the babool plants, they have thorn in it. So the cactus plant, the babool plant, they have thorn. So those are called thorny plants. They grow mainly in desert areas where they don't get enough water. That area there are thorny plants can grow. There are water plants also. That means the plants grows in water, like lotus and water lily, water hyacinth. These are called water plants, right? Because they grows in water. So these are the different types of plants we just learned today. These are the different types of plants, different kinds of plants.
Primarily, there are 5 types of plants. They are tree, shrubs, herbs, climbers, and creepers. Tree. Big and strong plants are called trees. Trees are the largest and oldest living thing on earth. They have roots, branches, leaves, and a hard woody stem called trunk, such as apple tree and banyan tree. However, few big trees do not have branches, such as coconut tree and palm tree. Shrubs. Shrubs are medium-sized plants and are smaller than trees. Shrubs have small, thin and woody branches that grow close to the ground. Examples of shrub are jasmine and lemon. Herbs. Herbs are very small plants. They are smaller than shrubs. Herbs have a green, thin and soft stem that can easily be bended. They usually do not grow more than 1 meter in height and have a short lifespan. Dried herbs are also used to add flavor to food and is used in medicines as well. Examples of herbs are tomato, carrot, spinach, and mint. Creepers. Creepers are the plants that grow along the ground by extending its branches. They have thin, long, and weak stem which cannot stand upright and spreads on the ground. The example of creeper are pumpkin and watermelon. Climbers. Climbers are plants with thin and weak stem. They cannot stand upright and rapidly climb up a neighboring support like a fence, wall, or other plants. The tendrils in plant wind themselves around any object and help the plant to climb up. Common climbers include bitter gourd and grapevine. Thank you.
Okay, hope you have understand. If you have any question, you can ask me in the live class. Thank you for watching.